So today we are drawing a cute little rabbit. Let's start by making its round head first. Now let's make its body like a fur ball. The rabbit is holding a carrot because rabbit loves to eat carrots. Let's draw its sparkly happy eyes, and a cute triangle nose and smiley face. Don't forget to draw a little tail like a cotton ball. Let's color the bunny. Pink in ears, nose, mouth, and cheeks. Orange and carrot. Green and leaves. Our rabbit is ready. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more fun videos. Leaving you with a smile until next time.